The Next Flow Extreme Hand Vac is a combination blowgun and vacuum gun. By simply unscrewing one end, which takes seconds, turning one piece inside that's called the generator, simply turning it around, you can convert the gun from a vacuum mode to a blowgun or from a blowgun to a vacuum mode. It is most commonly used for vacuuming for a very simple reason. In many states, provinces, countries, it is not even legal to utilize compressed air for blowing and cleaning machinery anymore, at least not without severe restrictions. With this unit, you can put it in vacuum mode, and with an attachment that comes with the package, it's a little brush attachment, you can clean equipment of dirt and debris safely and easily. The dirt can be collected in a collection bag, which can come with the unit, or you can have a hose attached to it in that system and simply transfer the debris and material collected to another container. You can also utilize this unit to transfer small materials from one location to another. So it can be used for transferring materials as well as for cleaning and vacuuming. As a blowgun, it's very effective, very low noise levels, and very safe to use, and covers a wide area. So it can be used very safely as a blowgun in those applications where a blowgun is required.